If you want to insert multiple rows in a matter of seconds, then don't skip this tutorial because I'm also going to explain a mind-blowing tip at the end. Let's dive in. I have these three columns. One is batch, second is location, and third is ranking. What I want to insert the blank rows between these two rows. So what I will do, I will select the row from this side and right click, and I can see insert row above and below. So I want to insert row below. Click this one and it will insert the row below my selected row. Control Z to go back. So either I can select the row by click on this side, or what I can do, I can press Shift space. It will select the row for me. And if I want to further insert the row, so I will repeat this process one by one. What is the shortcut to insert the row? Again, I'll select this row and then shortcut key is keep holding Alt button, then Alt I R, and you can see it's saying insert row above and below, and I will just choose row below and it will insert the row below my selected row. Control Z to go back. Now, what if I want to insert thousand of rows in my data? I don't want to do this manually one by one. So let me solve this problem for you. I will type 1, 2, the numbers, select this one, drag from the bottom. It will copy down and I will copy all those numbers again. And from here after 11, I will paste. So it has repetition. Now what I will do, I will select all those numbers. Then I will go to the data tab and then there is a sort sheet and you can see sort sheet by column F. Press this one and boom, you can see the blank row has been inserted after each filled row. You can see if it has 1,000 of filled rows, it would have been inserted the 1,000 blank rows in a matter of few clicks. So I will just select those and delete, and now I'm sorted. My blank rows has been inserted. So this is how you can quickly insert blank rows in Google Sheet in a matter of seconds. Hit the like button if you like this video.